Harry Marquis from TCE4 to talk about neuroendocrine tumours.
Hi, my name is Harry Marquis and I'm a physics PhD student at the University of Sydney and my research is based at the Department of Nuclear Medicine here at the Royal North Shore Hospital. Today I want to talk to you about my PhD research topic, which aims to develop a dosimetry platform for theranostic treatment agents. Professor Dale Bailey is my primary supervisor and I am also funded by a doctoral scholarship from Sydney Vital. I'm also an investigator in the Neuroendocrine Tumour Translational Centre of Excellence, TCE4. Okay, so the goal of my project is to develop a dosimetry platform for theranostic agents in order to facilitate personalised radionuclide therapy, where the therapeutic dose may be tailored to the individual. Currently, image-based dosimetry estimates in radionuclide therapy are severely limited by the poor spatial resolution of the gamma camera. We have developed a novel approach to SPECT image reconstruction that uses the diagnostic PET image with its superior spatial resolution to guide the reconstruction of the SPECT data. The goal is to have SPECT images with PET-like resolution. We call this reconstruction approach SPECTR, that is single photon emission computed theranostic reconstruction. So here's my project progress. So from 2018 to 2019, I focused on dosimetry. So voxel-based dosimetry methods were investigated and the clinical implementation was assessed. What's easiest to implement, what's most accurate, etc. And this was really a continuation of my master's research work that I did with Dale, Yasser and Kathy Willison. 2019 to 2020, sort of focused on improving the resolution of our SPECT image data, so partial volume correction methods, so some post-reconstruction and some in-reconstruction approaches were explored. And so 2020, this year, I've really focused on the development of SPECTR, which we will see in the next slide. Okay, so here we have some results from a clinical example of a patient suffering from meningioma. So SPECTR is shown to produce images with radioactivity concentration recovery comparable to PET and superior noise properties compared to conventional reconstruction methods. So this improvement in spatial resolution directly leads to more accurate dose estimates to small structures and target lesions, potentially facilitating personalised radionuclide therapies, where the injected dose is informed by pre-therapy diagnostic imaging. So looking at lesion 4 here, you can see on the right, SPECTR sees an increase in radioactivity concentration by a factor of 3.3, so compared to the conventional Q-SPECT reconstruction on the top right. So the Q-SPECT reconstruction on the top right is what we typically use in our department. So this significant increase would also be reflected in the image-based dose measurement. So with conventional reconstruction methods, we might think, for example, that this small lesion only received, let's say, 5 Gray, but the true dose may be closer to 20 Gray. Okay, so my abstract titled SPECT-CT-based dosimetry in peptide receptor radionuclide therapy using theranostics to minimise the impact of the partial volume effect was selected as the winner of the 2020 Arthur Weiss Award in Radiation Dosimetry and Safety, so from the Society of Nuclear Medicine and Medical Imaging. So this award recognises outstanding original work in radiation safety and dosimetry. Another recent milestone is that we recently submitted a paper titled Theranostic SPECT Reconstruction for Improved Resolution, Application to Radionuclide Therapy Dosimetry. We submitted this to the European Journal of Nuclear Medicine and Molecular Imaging. So yeah, we believe that this novel SPECT image reconstruction method will have a significant impact on the way we deliver and monitor radionuclide therapy. Thank you for listening.
And thank you, Harry, for some really exciting results. Do we have any questions? Oh, we have one question from Slido. This one. Okay, very impressive results. How might other imaging data, such as CT or MR, be incorporated into the reconstruction?
So there's many papers out there that have already done this. So where actually I learned to implement this reconstruction algorithm, it's called HKEM. That group is sort of really the people spearheading the incorporating a priori information into image reconstruction. So there's a commercially available reconstruction algorithm by Siemens called Expect Bone. So that uses a CT for technetium bone scans. But yeah, there's a whole range of algorithms out there that use MR, so PET MR, SPECT CT, PET CT, also synergistic reconstruction. So there's a lot of people doing a lot of interesting things out there.
Fantastic, thank you. So if there are no further questions, please join me in thanking Harry one more time.